Good evening, Fayette County. This is Shannon Hall reporting for Fayette News at 5. Rick Ross is Fayette County's newest resident, and if you're looking to bring him some cookies to welcome him to the neighborhood, then you're going to have to bring those to the county jail for his bail hearing that is set for today. Rick Ross recently purchased Evander Holyfield's 109-room foreclosed mansion for $5.8 million. The Fayette Citizen reported that Ross was arrested on June 7th by U.S. Marshals. His charges include kidnapping and aggravated assault of one of his groundskeepers. The bail hearing was held today at 10 a.m. before Judge Hankinson, and we will release details of the outcome as soon as we receive them. Why should you care? Well, not only is crime poor for a neighborhood, but this sprawling North Fayette estate is the largest tax revenue for the county. Ross going to prison could spell a second foreclosure for the property and a big loss in county revenue. Evander Holyfield, the previous owner, declared bankruptcy after not being able to pay his taxes a few years ago. Again, this is Shannon Hall for Fayette News at 5. Thank you.